Hi, good morning. My name is Arjit Paul, and I'm the trainer for the Canva course from Uplatz. Today's topic is Canva for beginners. So, today marks the final session of the foundational week in our Canva course. Over the past few sessions, we have learned the basics of graphic design, color theory, essential tools, and typography. Now it's time to bring it all together and get hands on with Canva. So, in today's lesson, we'll guide you step by step on how to start designing in Canva, explore its features, and create your very first design project. Whether you're creating for personal, professional, or social media purpose, Canva makes the entire process seamless. So let us dive in. The first section talks about setting up Canva, and here we can learn how to set up a Canva account. We can explore the Canva dashboard and navigation and understand the differences between free and pro features. So to highlight this, we have an end-to-end documentation which we can refer to. And I'll just go to the section 1, and we have AI called ChatGPT 4.0, under which we can get the exact end-to-end description as we require. I'll say, and this is the first part. In the first part, we'll focus on how we can get a very good knowledge of Canva. Second part will be focusing on practical use cases. Then J5, section 1. So the first part will be to create a Canva account, and setting up a Canva account is quick and straightforward as well. So the first step will be to visit canva.com, where we can open our browser and we can type canva.com as well in the search, and that will be very much useful, right? If I'm just going here, so we can just split this screen into two halves. And the first part will be to understand how we can create a Canva account. So I'm just typing on canva.com, and here we have automatically gone to the website, right? But if I just say Canva, it will search for all the sites related to Canva, and then we have canva.com. If we press on this, we are going to get in the same website of Canva. So we can open a browser and type canva.com in the address bar. Another tip, Canva is available on both desktop and mobile app, iOS and Android. So you can set up account from any device. For Windows, we also have a Canva application which we can install, which we can use. Um, but we are going to use the web browser version, because it's very simple and it doesn't add up any extra load in your laptop or on your device. Step 2 will be sign up. So we can click on the sign up button in the top right corner. If you haven't signed up, we can sign up this with the options at our disposal. So, well, this is one option. This is what we are using from Chrome. But suppose if we are using this from a different profile, we have a different profile. Again, if we type Canva, so over here, we see that we have got this page, Canva, where heart meets art. And this is the page without the sign-in purpose, right? This gives us an end-to-end definition of what Canva stands for. So Canva makes it easy to create and share professional designs. And as you can see, we got presentations, we have logos, documents, whiteboards, videos, prints, website, Instagram post, and whatnot, brochures, photo editor. So we can make all these changes with the help of Canva. It is a perfect fit for everyone where we got for one person plan, we got Canva free, then we got Canva Pro, then we got the opportunity for Canva Teams as well as Canva Enterprise. So I want to know about all these plans. So I want to know the benefits of understanding and what is the difference between all these different components of Canva. Just switch back. So moving to our AI page, you can say, help me. Let's do one thing. Let's go to our Canva course, click design, and we'll say, help me understand all the different components, all the different parts of Canva with simple explanation. And the image we have selected is Canva Free, Canva Pro, Canva Teams, and Canva Enterprise. Let's try to understand the different Canva plans which exist. So we can see Canva offers 4 plans tailored to different user needs. Let's try to understand this from a better perspective. So first we got Canva Free, right? So who is it for? Canva Free is for individuals or beginners exploring design tools. What are the features of Canva Free? Canva Free gives access to free templates, fonts, and design elements. It consists of basic photo editing tools, for example, cropping, resizing, and it is great for casual projects like social media posts or even simple flyers. Then we got Canva Pro, and who Canva Pro can be the best fit? Canva Pro can be a much better fit for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses looking for advanced features. And the features are very amazing when it comes to Canva Pro. Access to premium templates, stock photos, as well as videos. So if we use Canva Pro, we can truly understand the innate features of Canva end to end. That is the most important part of using Canva Pro. We also have the option of brand kit where we can save our brand colors, logos, and fonts for consistent design. So brand kit is nothing but a repository of storing our brand colors. Suppose we got a contract from a company, and then we have got this option to use only the colors which they will provide. So then we can make or we can add a profile in our customized brand kit, and then we can add the hex code of those specific colors. There are some other tools which we can use like pixels to understand the color combinations, the hex codes, and that is what we can understand from Canva Pro. Another point of Canva Pro will be Magic Resize, where we can resize designs for multiple platforms. For example, Instagram post to Facebook banner. All these things are part of Magic Resize, and we can ensure that Canva Pro gives that option as well. Next part will be background remover and advanced animations, where Canva Pro gives us the option to remove background and also use the advanced animations as well. The next component here we need to understand is Canva Teams. So who can Canva Teams support? Who is it for? Canva Teams is for small teams collaborating on projects. Just checking one thing. That is fine. Screen seems to be on share. So who Canva Pro or Canva Teams it's for? We are talking about the third category over here, Canva Teams for your team. And Canva is just given a one-liner, but we need to understand this in a more in-depth way. So Canva Teams is basically for small teams who are collaborating on projects. What are the features of Canva Teams? Shared brand kits for team consistency. So Canva Teams can share brand kits for team consistency. It contains a workflow tools to comment and collaborate on designs in real time. Also, we got centralized access to shared design. That is the benefit of using Canva Teams. The next part we have is Canva Enterprise, and then we can understand who Canva Enterprise is for. So Canva Enterprise is for large organizations managing multiple brands and teams. What are the features of Canva Enterprise? Advanced administrative tools to manage permissions and designs, centralized storage for all design assets, advanced workflows for branding, and content approval. So that is the feature of Canva Teams, rather Canva Enterprise. So Canva Enterprise can be a best fit for large organizations who are managing multiple brands as well as multiple teams. The features are advanced administrative tools to manage permissions and design, centralized storage for all the design assets, and having advanced workflows for branding and content approval. For this course, we are going to focus on Canva Free and Canva Pro. Again, if we move, we see that Canva is also mentioned that it's trusted by well-known companies. So all these companies do use Canva in their brands, whether be it in their content creation, be it in their animations. And that is what we have achieved. That is amazing. These are the clients, the primary clients of Canva. Right. Let's go to the key features of Canva. The key features will be homepage. Again, we need to just have a sign in option. So if we use sign up, we can have all these options. We can continue with Google, email, or another way. We can also sign up with our work email and we can log in as well. We'll have those options. I'll go back to my switch mode option. I'll go back to my profile right now. Right. So this is the home page which we are having in Canva. Right. So the home page is the dashboard where you start your project. And under the home page, we can have the key sections of the home page where we got templates, where we can browse by category like social media, business, marketing, education. And that is what we can understand. See all the homepage, if we go down, we have these templates. We can have Instagram, doc, whiteboard, presentations, videos, printables. And these are the AI features which we have. Make me a design, write my first draft, make me an image is particularly correspondent to the Dream Lab feature. Writing my first draft is correspondent to using the Magic Write feature, and redesign or resize any design is correspondent to the Magic Design feature. So all these technologies, all these designs are using artificial intelligence, and it is prompting them into our screen. That is amazing. So recent design quickly access ongoing or recently completed projects. So this is the part of recent design. When we have talked about recent designs, we have seen what we have been able to achieve. I'll just delete one out of this. So all these designs which we have created, and these are made with the help of simple templates which we have modified into our own strength. So that is what we can see over here, right? So this is what recent designs can give us. It can give us a very good outlook into our own uh, designs which we have created. It can quickly access ongoing or recently completed projects. The search bar can type in keywords like business card or Instagram story to find relevant templates. Right. Uh, just trying to access my Instagram from my computer. I haven't done it into a long time. I'm not even sure whether it will really work. But let's try. Nope, this is not going to work, I guess. And it is going to be very important if we want to use um, Instagram for our future reference and all. Okay. All right. I think we need to look into this, and we can definitely come back to what is creating or what is causing this issue. But it's going to be very simple if we try and use a few steps and log in with our links or our profile link as well. So I'm going to try another step. Um, Let me just go to my Teams profile. I think I have added a link. See photos, videos. And it is not giving me the option to log in. Let's try to log in from our username. 1997. Let's go to Gmail. Okay, we have already an option to access our Gmail account. And we'll check into the recent emails which we have. And if we just click login as my username, RX1997, it is giving me the option to reset my password. I'm going to reset with a new password. And that is amazing. We have got into our Instagram profile. So this is my Instagram profile, which which exist currently, and we have a lot of photos, a lot of pictures. So as you can see, like this is like more of a personal account which we have, but we can very well use it for our business accounts as well. So another reason of using Instagram with Canva is how you can blend all different kinds of designs with end-to-end examples. Suppose there is one use case which I want to follow, which is roofing services, or let's just type roofing services. We can see that there is a lot of companies which are designing their post, their flyers, when it relates to all the rooftop services, how this can be used. Similarly, we have different sorts of business. Let's try cafe, or let's even try continental cafe. So we have another option, continental cafe and restaurant. So these are individual photos which a cafe is promoting. We don't need this. We can talk about any kind of services. So let's just say gardening services. And if we click over here, we see that we have a lot of designs, a lot of posters related to gardens, right? And you know what? Let me just type services. So we have a lot of posters, a lot of flyers, and this is another post called Green Line Services, which we have. And we can see that how it is causing and how it is creating the logos, the posters, and everything is been done in the best way possible, right? So this is one post which we can refer to. This is one entire flyer, and they have extracted the image. They have talked about the number, the address, the website as well. And we can create each and everything in Canva in the best way possible. We don't need this information, right? So in Canva, we can have this templates option, and we can mention the same thing. We can just type roofing services, and we will get amazing designs which will be both pro and which will be free. So as you can see, all the major designs, all the good designs have been pro designs, and the predominant color again is kind of coming as blue over here. And we have some exciting animations as well, leak proof, to fix it quickly and efficiently, as well as some options of why they can choose us. So we can directly go to the brand, we can approach the brand, we can attach a logo, and then we can try to make this impression that we are creating this poster, this flyer with minimal changes, and we can create such more. We can create such amazing options which will help the business grow to animate, and this will be amazing. So going under animate, we see that there are some options, some sliders, and the amazing options which we can place to understand and how these animations will come. On enter, on exit, so we'll have all these options lined up. That is amazing. That is the best part of using Canva. We're going to do this in an end-to-end project with an end-to-end example, but I just wanted to sign into Instagram so that we are able to even do and even perform all these steps. So that is great. That is the usage of templates. That is the most important part of using Canva templates. Again, if we go to all templates, we can see the designs, and then we can try to match it, right? So the home page consists of templates, recent designs, search bar. So we can type keywords like business card or Instagram story to find relevant templates. Right. The second point will be sidebar navigation. And in sidebar navigation, we got templates, projects, brand kit, apps, and integration. So templates explore a wide library of pre-designed layouts. That is the best part of templates. Projects access all your designs, including saved and shared ones. Brand Kit is a pro feature which shapes logos, colors, and fonts for branding consistency. Apps and integrations can be used to use tools like Google Drive, Pixels, or YouTube to streamline your design process. We also have the design tools in Canva where we talk about text tools, where text tools add headlines, subheadings, or body text with hundreds of font options. Elements insert shapes, icons, lines, or frames to enhance your design. Photos and videos access a library of free and premium stock content. And backgrounds choose solid colors, gradients, or textures to complement your design. Again, we see these are the side tools or the side options which we have in Canva if we choose into any of the design. And by that, we mean all these options which exist if we, uh, right, if we choose the sidebar, right? We have text tool. Text tool consists about adding headings, subheadings, adding text boxes. Elements are very important as it is used to add headings, subheadings, or body text. Right. So elements are used to insert shapes, icons, lines, or frames to enhance your design. So in this design, suppose if we just scroll down and if we select this, the AI will understand the graphics which we require. Right now, see that the graphics it is mentioning here is this. We can choose this graphics as well. And this is something amazing. This is a simple element which we have used, right? We can also take this option. We can insert this as well as a special Christmas treat. And we can change our colors accordingly. I don't see any purpose of inserting this even, so that's fine. But yeah, we can insert all these types of elements in the best way possible. Just look at this. If I just place it over here, isn't this looking better? Isn't this looking more neat, right? Just look at this, only 20K. um, Instead of 20K we can mention it something like only 199, uh, something like this. Right, that is amazing. We just localize it into our currency, and that is what we can customize. All these customizable options exist in the time of Canva. We can have backgrounds where we can choose solid colors, gradients, or textures to complement our design end to end. That is what we can achieve. And also we can upload. So we can upload our own image, we can upload videos, we can upload fonts for customization. We are going to have an end-to-end example in all of the lessons. And then we'll see what we drive or how much we can use all these features innately. Again, we have collaboration tools where Canva allows teams to comment and collaborate on designs in real time. It is perfect for projects where multiple stakeholders need input, for example, marketing campaigns. Canva can also be used with, as we have mentioned, with different kinds of social media tools. We have just used the example of Instagram because a lot of people are using Instagram, but we use Canva for LinkedIn marketing, for YouTube thumbnail, and for all the kinds of purpose, for all reasons it can be used. Last time we were mentioning we can also create content for our Fiverr demo or for our Fiverr background. So that is going to be very, very interesting as well. That how we are going to create such backgrounds, how we are going to create such portfolio in the best way possible. That is also very, very important to understand. That is the most important part of Canva, which we need to understand, right? And that is great. If we just go to the collaboration tools, we can see that how Canva allows teams to comment and also collaborate on designs in real time. That is going to be very important. So if we use these options on the top, We can see, we can resize, we can share this, and we can share this to all names, access, all the group persons who can have the access to this. And that is amazing how we can assign different kinds of emails with the same access. So initially when we try to log in, we see that there is a couple of use cases. Even my account is mentioned in Canva, and we can also add different kinds of emails so that they can be able to collaborate into this, right? I'm gonna add my email invite to the team. Your team will have 2 members if the invite is accepted. We can create a message. Right. So I think this is something which is a paid design, and this has like ends on the date and the due today as well. But we're not going to use this. I just wanted an example. But without adding anyone to the team, we can have this option as well. We can remove this from the team as well. And we can have all the better options as well. So we can just add, or we can just enable this access of, instead of individual, we can just copy this link. And if we copy this link and if we try to paste this somewhere, suppose we try to paste this over here, we see we directly get access to this link, right? And then we can make our changes accordingly. We can work on this in the best way possible as well. Just check one thing. I'm just checking. Just go to the settings. I'm just checking if there's is there any billing which has opened up. That is fine. Everything looks good to go. And we can have all these options where anyone on the link can view, can comment, and also can edit, right? So if I again open the link, and we'll be able to make all these changes as well. Now suppose I'm using my own system. And now, as you can understand, I am added to this, and we can also see that the original owner of this and how we can make our changes to this. Since we don't have Canva Pro, since my profile doesn't have Canva Pro, we cannot make all the changes, but we can slightly, we can put our comments, we can put our designs, we can put our knowledge into this. And if we design, we can put this option by adding comment as well. We can add our comment and we can say nice. And this is been added as a comment. If we view comment, we can see that the comment is here. We can push our own reply into this as well. If I'm just refreshing this page right now, we can see that we have got a comment over here, right? Again, if I'm just going back to my original profile, I will just change this from my account to my professional account. And we see that there is a recent update, a recent notification which popped up with this comment, nice. Say, we'll reply this as thanks. Now we can add emojis to here. We can make this amazing with our way. And we also see that there is this analytics bar which opened up as well. With analytics bar, we can perform and we can see real-time analytics on our Canva content. Total visits, total unique visits, and this is really amazing. So this is the collaboration option which exists in Canva, which is not pretty visible on all the websites which exist in the market. Now that is amazing how we can segregate this, how we can convince our team members to collaborate on this and also to share their feedback. So collaboration is perfect for projects where multiple stakeholders need input, for example, marketing campaigns. The next part will be Magic Resize, which is a pro feature. So it can resize your design for various platforms with one click. For example, convert a Facebook post into an Instagram story. The next part will be background remover, which is a pro feature, which automatically remove image backgrounds to create clean, professional visuals. Right. The next part will be Canva workflow example, where a small cafe social media campaign is taking place. So let's create a real world example using Canva. The scenario is a small cafe which wants to design a social media campaign for their weekend offers. So we have, okay, right. I'm just getting a low battery notifications. Give me one moment. Right. So as we can understand, we have to curtail the next part with a workflow example in an end-to-end basis. Because we have talked about all the important features of Canva, talked about collaboration tools, magic resize, background remover as well. And now we want to talk about how we can understand the workflow example. So for our workflow example, we have a small cafe's social media campaign. So let's create a real world example using Canva. We're trying to mimic the real world situation and try to use the innate features of Canva. So a small cafe wants to design a social media campaign for their weekend offers. We can start with the free plan to explore templates, upgrade to pro for magic resize and premium templates if needed. So step two will be explore templates. So we can go to template section and search for Instagram post. We can pick a design that matches the cafe's aesthetic, which can be vibrant and cozy. Step three will be to customize the design, where we can use the text tool to update the headline, which can be weekend coffee specials. We can add a supportive text like buy one, get one free. We can put such marketing options. And that is amazing. See, we can get a very good idea about marketing as well. What kind of offers we can promote at the which location, whether we can promote any weekend offers or any offers due to a special day like maybe Valentine's Day or Republic Day or maybe Black Friday. So that can be used. So again, for a cafe, I think Black Friday won't have much significance. It is mostly related to shopping, technology, basically mobile phones and electronic shopping, as well as apparel shopping. So we can see that Amazon, Flipkart, all those sites, they promote the Black Friday sale and they amazingly give their designs and decorations according to this. But how do they make the designs? Well, Canva is also used to make this design in the best way possible. And if we just type Black Friday sale, we'll get amazing templates related to Black Friday sale as well. Just look at this. Look at this option which we are getting, right? So this is an amazing template which can denote the Black Friday sale with a very amazing notification, a glitch animation as well. So this is really cool. We can customize this. We can customize this as per we want. We can push the date, the headlines, the fonts. And in the last lesson, we have talked about the importance of typography. So as you can see, the large text is predominant and it's mentioned Black Friday. The second largest is the amount of discount which we are getting as it's a Black Friday. And that is amazing, amazingly put together. And this is the unique way of using Canva. We can customize this further. If we don't want to see 20%, if we want to make this further more, we can customize this as per our wish. So now instead of 20, we can put this as 50%. This is really the innate feature of Canva. So here we have step 3, customize the design. We can use text tool to update the heading. We can add supportive text. We can replace placeholder images and uploaded photo of the product as well. The next part will be to apply branding, where we can use the Brand Kit Pro feature to ensure the cafe's colors and fonts are consistent as well. Step 5 will be to share or download this, where we download the design for posting or share it directly to Instagram via Canva sharing tools. So we can share this directly. We can share our post directly as well. We don't really need to focus on worrying into any other thing. We cannot focus on just downloading and sending it later. We can focus on sharing it directly from our created website, from our created content. That is amazing. So if we made this, we can push this to share and we can directly share this on Instagram. And how we can post, we have this option: immediately post from mobile app, schedule post from desktop, which is suitable for Instagram business, and it is suitable for Instagram personal and creator account as well. So these things can be done, can be achieved in the best way possible. However, as a pro tip, I would suggest you to download and post to Instagram, because you can make some edit, some imagery changes to Instagram as and when required as well. Now that is really, really amazing how we are able to get all these options done. So as we understood how we can create a Canva account, how we can visit canva.com, click on sign up. We can sign up using Google, Facebook, or email options as well. And as a pro tip, we can start with the free plan, upgrade to pro at any time. So Canva provides multiple plans when it comes to the pro option as well. If I'm going to my free account, let me just close this for now. Right, I'm going to my own profile. And I'll just have request you to look into the pro plans as well. I'll just take a few minutes to be back. So now just understand the all the options which we have of the premium plan. So we can get pro for 12 months, we can get pro for 1 month, we can get pro for 1 week, we can also get pro for 1 day. So Canva is, having so many plans for us to upgrade for each type of customers. For customers who don't need 1 month or 1 year plan, they can opt for 1 week or 1 day plan as well. That is amazing. Just give me a moment. So, coming back to our presentation, we have understood a holistic view of the Canva dashboard overview, where we understand that Canva contains about homepage, where we can access templates, recent designs, recommendations, and we consist about the search bar, which can quickly find templates or elements. The next part will be sidebar navigation, where we can explore templates, projects, as well as brand kit. We understood the difference between Canva Free and Canva Pro, where Canva Free consists about basic templates, limited stock photos, but the Pro consists about premium templates, advanced tools, brand kits, magic resize, and we can decide based on our design needs. Section 2 consists about exploring templates, where Canva offers a vast majority and a really vast collection of pre-designed templates. Templates can save time by customizing them for personal or professional use. Templates cover social media, business, as well as personal categories. So, we have already given a small introduction of using templates from each and every day. And I think it's been very important that we are able to understand all the kinds of templates which exist in Canva. Because most of the work is being done with the help of templates, and all we can need to do is minimal editing, but it should be unique. Unique editing and creating a design stand out is going to be crucial, and it's going to be very important into shaping our design structure, into shaping our end-to-end design strategy as well. Right. Similarly, if we go to our home page, I close this one now. I'll go back to my home. And if we go to templates, we can see that we have a lot of categories for templates. It can be talk, whiteboard, design, Instagram post. An Instagram post can be used in a very amazing way. Right? We have some posts which relate to food and post relates to makeup. We are gonna focus on both. Another part is chicken biryani, but this is like a pro template, and as I'm not in my account, it is not giving me the same option. But again, if I go to the pro account, we can customize this template in the best way possible. Let's look at this. Right, so we have used the innate features of Canva, of elements, to make sure that this video is generated, and we can make all these options. We can create this, we can customize this template in the best way possible. So these are just the latest design which I wanted to present, because it offers such an amazing collection of templates. Right. Section 2 is focusing on exploring all the templates. Again, we can customize the templates as per our wish and as per the requirements. Customizing templates is a very important feature in Canva. So what are the customizations which we can perform? We can replace, where we can replace the text by clicking on the text boxes and edit content. That's how we can replace. We can change colors. We can use the color palette to match our specific brand. We can add images, where we can search for stock photos or upload our own images. And also we can rearrange layouts, where we can drag and drop element as and when required. That is amazing how we can perform all these options. So again, we have an option to save and share designs as well, where we can save our work, where we can click share, then download to explore designs. The formats are immense. We can have PNG, JPEG, and PDF format as well. We can share designs where we can send links for collaboration or feedback. Right. All the formats can be shared and can be explained in the best way possible. The next part will be to create our first design, which can be a step by step guide to creating our first design in Canva. And I think we have created and we have made immense record or immense progress by using template, by leveraging them, and by making amazing designs with the help of Canva. So we can learn how to use backgrounds, text, elements, and then apply the design principles to make the project stand out. We have talked about design principles in detail, where it consists about all the kinds and all the major types of um, use cases which can help improve the design structure. That is something which we require and which we need. Right. Right, so we can have a step-by-step design process where we can start a new design, where we choose an Instagram post, we can add a background, we can use solid colors, gradients, or images. We can insert different types of text where we can add headlines, customize fonts, colors, sizes, and we can also add elements where we can enhance with shapes, tools, and illustrations. So it's going to be very simple. It's not going to be too difficult. We can take this as a homework, and in the upcoming lessons, we are going to have end-to-end understanding on how we can create basic designs as well as focus on professional social media content as well. So we have given you a flavor of both understanding what we can do and how we can achieve this with some unique examples as well. We can also apply the design principles which we have focused and which we have discussed in detail. An understanding in designing principles is to use harmonious color palettes, which can be correspondent to color theory. We can pair fonts effectively for hierarchy and contrast, which corresponds to typography. And then we can emphasize the key elements with size and placement, which is again being a part of hierarchy. That is what which we can establish and we can explain in the best way possible, and that is how we can apply so many unique design principles into our post. So as a wrap up, what we have understood how we can set up our Canva account and explored the dashboard. We have learned how we can customize templates and save designs. We have understood how we can create the first design and applied design principles as well. So, as a homework, we can create a design using Canvas templates, or we can start from scratch. Anything can be used, and by this lesson, I think we have got the basic understanding of Canva. We can use this, and from the next lessons, we'll focus on upcoming creation, some advanced way of content creation, and using the design principles to create amazing and stunning designs. We're also going to use AI as well, the AI features of Canva as well as ChatGPT to have a very in-depth knowledge. And this will focus into your growth as a content creator, as a social media creator. And we can also pitch clients, proposals. Uh, we can have the use cases of us going to clients to make their designs, and I will share some important strategies which will help you boost your Canva business as well. So this is what we can wrap up today. Until then, thank you so much.